want to talk a little bit about supplements and herbs that can be helpful in naturally managing thyroid disease, in addition to nutrition, as well as select pharmaceuticals as needed. Supplements and herbs is really one of the areas where I get the most questions. So my first disclaimer is going to be you always want to work with a qualified functional or integrative practitioner or herbologist who has expertise here and is able to identify the right supplements or herbs specific for your condition and your body, as well as to prevent any sort of drug interactions or not pleasant side effects. So that's really important. Okay, so supplements can be really helpful with managing symptoms and some of the root causes of thyroid disease, especially hypothyroidism, especially if nutritional deficiencies is one of the culprits. And so any sort of lab work should include an assessment of all your nutrient levels to identify any potential nutrient deficiencies. There are three in particular that I pay close attention to when it comes to thyroid issues. One is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is really important for thyroid production. It helps to improve response of the thyroid hormone from the cells. It also boosts energy production and helps to counterbalance some common symptoms to thyroid issues such as fatigue and other symptoms you may have. So B12. Second is selenium. So selenium helps to promote efficient thyroid synthesis and metabolism, and has also been found in studies to lower antibody levels in the patients with Hashimoto's. And thirdly, zinc. Zinc is also beneficial in improving thyroid function and hormone levels, and has been shown in studies to have a positive effect on thyroid function in overweight women in particular. So those are the three main ones that I like to look at: B12, selenium, and zinc. Now let's talk a little bit about herbs. There are a couple in particular that I just want to call out here. One is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that can have multiple benefits on different systems, different parts of your endocrine system. I've talked about it previously as it relates to adrenal health, but not yet as it comes to thyroid health. And so ashwagandha has been shown to improve thyroid function for people who have hypothyroidism and are subclinical, not severe. And then the second herb is one that's called gum gugal. Gumguggal. It can be used in all forms of hypothyroidism, and it helps to convert T4 into the active form of thyroid hormone T3, believe it or not. So these are just a few supplements and herbs that have been shown to be really helpful with naturally managing your thyroid disease. Remember to work with a qualified practitioner though. Do not just try these on your own, especially if you're on any sort of thyroid medication. And if you're looking for a place to start, hit me up, DM me. We can get started with some lab work and dig in and go from there. Have a great week.